We have two gas heaters here. One is the latest model, the red one, and then the black one will be the old model. The difference is the adjustments of the gauge here will be only can go on to half. It won't go furthermore, and the old one they can go to the max. This is we have done some changes on the red one here. This is to avoid that the when you have a full heat on the ceramic plate here that can't absorb the heat anymore, and then the gas will release it out. So therefore we have changed the gauge to half of the for half supply, so that you can continuous for feeding the gas. So when you do the combusting, when you try to lead it on, so press it down and then pull the ring. Oops. Oh, there's something wrong here. Pull the rings and get the gas out. So as a normal gas heaters, the gas will actually burn the plate instead of flame it out. So it will only flame it out when it's a little bit too hot. So let's see, it's probably last couple 10 minutes, as long as the flame is not over the grill side. It is all good. It is considered as a normal. You can adjust the supply of the gas to the minimum. So this is actually a normal gas heaters. So to turn it off, you can turn it off and unplug it. Remove the gas tank.